Education is one of the most important weapons in a country. We wanted to transform education into an instrument we can use for development.
You have a limited time to stay on earth. You must try and use that period for the purpose of transforming your country into what you desire it to be.
Every human being, young or old, is an inspiration to those who want solutions to problems, national and international. As we take stock of our accomplishment and shortcomings, we should not, by a slightest of chance, lose sight of our once ambitious dream for education.